Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your NRE account is active, KYC cleared, and international remittance allowed. This avoids rejects later. Open Google Pay and sign in with the same Google account you'll use for transfers. Once done, select Add Bank Account and choose India as the country. Make sure your bank supports UPI for NRE linking. Keep your IFSC, account number, and the mobile number registered with the bank at hand, so you can verify and complete the linkage without delays. You now select your Indian bank inside Google Pay and enter the IFSC and account number exactly as the bank records them. Mismatches cause failures. After you submit details, you'll receive an OTP on the mobile number registered with the NRE account. Enter it promptly to verify. Next, create a new UPI ID or link an existing one, making sure Google Pay shows the NRE account as the beneficiary. This step establishes the payment handle that routes transactions to your NRE balance. You finish by confirming the linked account name and the last 4 digits shown in Google Pay match your NRE account. This final check prevents misdirected funds. Once linked, test with a small transfer to ensure settlements and observe any inward or outward limits and applicable RBI rules. If the linkage fails, immediately contact your bank's support with the error code shown. Also make sure mobile KYC is intact and the registered number is active, because most problems trace back to OTP or KYC mismatches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.